Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic that's crucial to all expats. The biggest mistake that 99% of newcomers make when moving to Dubai. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Dubai is the city of dreams, but it can turn to a nightmare if you're not prepared. So let's get straight to a first mistake. First mistake is underestimating the cost of living. Yes, Dubai is luxurious, but everything has a price. From rent to groceries can add up quickly. So your mandatory expenses can start from 12,000 dirham. Many people come here without a clear budget and end up with the financial difficulties. Make sure to research and plan your expenses. Second mistake is ignoring cultural differences. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures, but it also has its own cultures and traditions. Understanding and respecting local culture is the key. It's not only about fitting it, but also about showing your respect to the culture of the country that is hosting you. So we highly recommend reading up on what not to do in Dubai. Third mistake is lack of networking and socializing. Dubai is a city of connection. Whether it's business or socialize, meeting people can open a door of life that you had never dreamed about. Join expat groups, different events, and don't be afraid to put yourself out. Your next big opportunity could be just a conversation away. Fourth mistake, neglecting legal and visa requirements. Dubai has strict rules and missing a step can have serious consequences. Make sure you understand the visa process, renewal, and your legal obligations. When it's doubt, seek professional advice. Fifth mistake is neglecting health insurance. Dubai has excellent healthcare, but it can be expensive if you pay out of your pocket. Ensure that you have comprehensive insurance that covers you and your family. It's better to be safe than sorry. Sixth mistake is choosing a wrong house. Amenities, location, and cost plays a huge role in the quality of your life here. Do your own research. Visit different areas before signing a lease. It's best to use reputable house service like CoLive. Seventh mistake is forgetting to save. It's easy to get caught in this glamour lifestyle in Dubai, but it's important to save. Set aside a portion of your income for emergencies and savings. This will give you peace of mind and financial stability. So there you have it, mistakes that 99% expats do when moving to Dubai. Avoid this and you'll be on your way of successful and enjoyable life in this amazing city. Remember, the key to a successful move is preparation. Stay informed, stay prepared, and enjoy the adventure. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And hit the bell icon not to miss useful videos. Leave a comment, what do you think about these mistakes? And please ask your questions about moving to Dubai. See you in the next video.